The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved inhaled insulin for children with diabetes, marking a major step in diabetes treatment, especially for those who fear daily injections. The insulin comes as a very fine powder that children can inhale using a small device before meals, providing an alternative to rapid-acting insulin shots. Many families felt excited after hearing the news, as children with diabetes often deal with the stress and anxiety that come from injections. This groundbreaking development is not just a medical innovation. It represents hope and newfound freedom for children managing diabetes. With this new inhaled insulin option, children can focus more on enjoying their childhood rather than worrying about their condition. Some kids also develop fear and anxiety around needles. This can make treatment more difficult for both children and parents. Doctors explain that inhaled insulin is not a full replacement for all insulin types. Most children will still need long-acting insulin during the day. The inhaled version is mainly used around mealtimes. It works quickly to control blood sugar spikes. Doctors also warn that not every child can use this treatment. Children with asthma or chronic lung problems may not be suitable. Because the medicine depends on healthy lung function, doctors will usually perform lung tests before starting treatment. One of the biggest advantages is the fast action of the insulin. Some studies suggest that inhaled insulin therapy may reduce emotional stress in children. It may also improve quality of life for families. The approval also raised questions about the future of diabetes care. Many people believe easier treatments may appear in the future, especially with rapid advances in medical technology and continuous glucose monitoring devices. Doctors still stress the importance of medical supervision. No one should change insulin doses without a doctor. Because diabetes management in children is very sensitive, mistakes can lead to serious complications. In the end, many experts believe this approval could make life easier for young diabetes patients, especially children who struggle emotionally with daily injections. I want every family with a child living with diabetes to feel hopeful, because medical science is advancing faster than ever. New treatments like inhaled insulin are giving many children and parents more comfort and less stress. Diabetes may require daily care and attention, but with the right treatment and emotional support, children can still live happy, normal lives. They can learn, play, dream, and enjoy their future, just like any other child. The most important thing is to follow medical advice. Stay positive and remember that better solutions are being developed every day. With advancements in treatment, kids can enjoy life more fully and manage their health with confidence. Supportive families and effective treatment create a brighter future for children managing diabetes. Education about healthy habits plays a crucial role in helping kids manage their diabetes effectively. Engaging in sports helps promote both physical health and emotional well-being for children with diabetes. Community support and shared experiences can empower families dealing with diabetes challenges together.